The product zone, after 2 week testing out this headphone, using it to work out, was really good. Literally noise canceling for sure. It's a hybrid wireless headphone. Very comfortable, really good sound, good bass. You can see right here the cushion is so soft. And you got a nice padding over here on the top right here, nice padding right here for your head, and it fits really good. Tells you the left, tells you the right, flexible. You can see that it rotates. Really good top of the line quality. Comes with a fast charger, comes with a nice carry-in traveling case. You got charger and you got an audio plug inside, which is a bonus. This holds it in really good, so you could travel any vacation. If you want to listen music, play game, talk, whatever you want to do, it's definitely built for that. Now the charging time is 2 hours. Using time, it's about 40 minutes, and then they said using time 50 minutes on music. It all depends what you're doing with it. But overall, it's a really good headphones, really comfortable. That's what I love about it. It's very comfortable, and the company is pretty good. It got good review on Amazon, and you can see like the speakers coming through here, over here too. So it's very loud overall. You literally, and you have the power button right here, volume, and you can plug in your stuff over here. You got a charger plug-in in there. For price and details, check in the description box below. Overall, it's a good quality headphone. Makes a really good gift.